Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope that you're having a great night. I am here to pick two winners and this is for my Road to 3,000 subscribers series of giveaways. Thank you everyone for all your support. Thank you for joining this giveaway and for coming over to my Instagram account, Nelda's Crafts, and following me. I am really thrilled. I'd like you to know that I appreciate all your support, all your efforts, and all your love. Again, thank you. Today really is a blessed day. For one, it is my eldest daughter's 31st birthday, and her name is Jaisal. She's a mom of three boys. I am so proud of her. She's doing a really good job raising the kids, and she is a loving, beautiful person inside and out, and I love her. We love her so much. And time flies so fast. I can still remember the days when I was changing her diaper, and now look, she is 31. That means I am getting older each day, but you know what? That is okay because wisdom and great experiences come with age, so I'm happy about that. And yes, I am already dyeing my hair, getting all this gray hair, but you know, we have to dye sometimes. I don't all the time, but when I have to go somewhere, I just cannot show all my gray hair. So yes, I dye my hair. And another reason why I am very happy today is because when I last looked at my channel analytics, my numbers are going up and it is very close to my goal of hitting that 3,000 subscribers. So a massive thank you to all of you and big hugs and lots of love. And I know that these numbers may drop because that really happens. And there are subscribers who will unsubscribe, and when subscribers also do not view and do not engage, YouTube take them all away. So I may end up having, a lower number tomorrow or the next days, but now it doesn't matter because I know that I have you who support me and who support my craft. So I will do my very best to make videos that entertain and that inspire you, and hopefully you stay with me. Again, I appreciate all of you.
Okay, so now we are here to pick two winners. One winner of the 75 yards of seam binding that was not claimed, and the prayer journal. And my husband is going to pick the winner. So let's call my hubby. So while waiting, I am just going to shake this. I know, sorry, my hubby is not into my craft. And he does not like my mess. He loves me nevertheless. Okay, so because we have now too many, oops, wait. Say hello to them. Okay. All right, so just making sure that we are, okay, I know, it's improvising. Look at my wonderful box. I had to transfer this. Maybe this is the lucky, the lucky magic box, so that the prize will really be claimed. Okay, so all right, this is for the 75 yards of seam binding. Okay, all right, let's go. There you go. Oh, there, yeah, nothing there. Okay, so here it is. And okay, 75 yards of seam binding goes to Helen Nettleship. Helen Nettleship. Sorry again if I'm not pronouncing your name correctly, but Helen, you won the 75 yards of seam binding. Congratulations. And please email me within 48 hours your address so we can ship it right away. And let me just do the shake again. Don't you love my box? All right, there you go. All right, there's my husband's hand. This is for the prayer journal. Okay. Oh, everything is dropping here. All right, so this is the prize, my prayer journal, 120 days of prayer, reflection, and praise. And this is again for your spiritual journey as a guide. And religion does not matter here because I believe we only have one God. So this beautiful book goes to, and okay, all right, sorry, I'm sorry, Misty. Sorry, I picked you again, but you're not supposed to be here now because you already won. Sorry, all right. Happy. Let's pick another one. Oh, isn't Misty so lucky? She won already, and I'm sorry I was not able to remove her name. Okay, there you go. Again, for the prayer journal. And this one goes to Dawn Stephen. Dawn, congratulations. You won my prayer journal. So, email me, nelda.neldascrafts@yahoo.com with your address, and I will have this sent out early Tuesday because I believe there's no post office on Monday. So Tuesday. There you go, everyone. Thanks again for all your support and, for joining this beautiful giveaway. And thank you, hubby.
So there you go, everyone. Thank you again for participating in this event. We have, I think, one more to go. Well, until I hit the 3,000 mark. And my next video is a continuation of making a junk journal, assembling and arranging all the papers as inside pages and making signatures and binding the book. So hope to see you soon. Take care, everyone. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.